Hello, so my name is Sahil, and I've been building AI systems for around 3.5 years now, mostly working with startups. Recently, I've been working independently as a freelancer, and now I'm moving towards building my own AI first products. I usually work end to end from backend and APIs to deploying things in production. Most of my work has been around AI agents, RAG systems, and automation pipelines that actually solve, real business problems, not just demos. The most ambitious thing that I have built right now is around agentic workflow systems. The idea is to take, processes that are slow and manual and turn them into structured workflows where multiple AI agents handle different parts, but where humans also stay in the loop wherever needed. One example of that is something I'm working on in the financial domain, where the system handles onboarding and compliance workflows. It breaks down the process into steps like fact finding, KYC checks, risk assessment, and report generation, and runs them through a multi agent step with checkpoints and approvals. For me, interesting part is not just using AI, but building AI systems that, where AI actually drives workflows and takes actions behind the scenes. Let me just quickly show you something that I have vibe coded recently. This is ClinicalSetu AI. The idea is simple. Doctors spend a lot of time on documentation, especially in high volume stages settings. So I built a system, that takes one clinical input and generates multiple structured outputs in real time. So from a single input, it can generate a SOP note, patient-friendly summary in different Indian languages, a referral letter, discharge summary, and even clinical trial matches. Under the hood, it's a multi-agent setup where different agents handle different outputs coordinated by a supervisor. I built this pretty quickly end-to-end using AI-assisted development, focusing on getting working system out fast. So if I log in into the portal, you can see whenever a doctor logs in, this is what the doctors can see. And when they click on a new consultation, they can either take voice input or text input. And once they have the input and start processing, the multi-agent orchestration takes place in the background. So you can see reports are generated, which can be also translated to different languages. And we have 5 structured outputs. And let me just also show you the patient portal. If I log in, this is how the patient portal looks like, where the patient can see all the visit details and all their summary basically in the background. I also built a small landing page for a DM automation system to test how people would actually interact with and use something like this. This was also vibe coded mainly to validate the idea from a user and business perspective. Let me just show you. If I go to home, this is how it looks like. And this whole thing was completely like coded by me and shipped within like 2 to 3 hours to quickly like for market validation. Everything was vibe coded. So overall, I'm interested in building AI systems that are practical, fast to ship, and also grow into real products, especially where AI can reduce manual work and improve workflow. That's what I want to keep building, and that's why I'm interested and excited about VibeCon.